It's something past 10 on a fine Cornish morning, Saturday, and I'm out and about. Can't waste a day like this. So today I'm going up to St. Agnes Beacon. It's been on my list for ages. It's not too hard to get to, but I've had things to do. Certain people seem to think that I pretty much sit around all day doing nothing. You know who you are. But I don't. I'm busy. I'm a busy chap. And these nice walks break into the work schedule. So yeah, it's going to take me like probably an hour or so to get there, because I'm taking the long way round, which cuts out a dangerous road with nothing in the way of path either side, like most of the roads down here. Got a bit of lunch, got a book, got plenty of water. If it stays like this, I think this afternoon's going to be a problem, but most of the day's going to be okay. So I'll get up on the beacon, chill out. Another reason I'm going up there is to check it out for a bit of wild camping, see what it's actually like up there. From a distance it looks good, but that's never and that's turned out bad before. Oh, it looks good. Get up there, it's absolutely boggy and full of grief bushes and God knows what. So yeah, I'm going to get moving. I'm going to walk down. I will be joining the coast path to get into St. Agnes, because it is, like I said, the safer route. Right, let's get going. This is Trevalas Cove, but I don't say the name. Hey, halfway to being Cornish. St. Agnes over there, that's the route to Perranporth. It's a bit windy up here, but even with the wind, it's still warm. I'm an hour in, and I'm already down to my t-shirt. Obviously, I got my jeans on, otherwise that would just be weird. But then again, that might be acceptable, you never know. We are in Cornwall. Sorry, Cornish people. Couple of surfers in St. Agnes Bay. Actually, the tide is out at this point. I might have to get down on the beach sometime next week and see if I can find some food and have a little impromptu cook up down there. It's nice. Right, onward. That's where I'm going. There. It's like a little nipple on top. Gotta go down a little bit into St. Agnes and then up. I mean, I don't quite know the route, but I know it's signposted. More old mine works around here. Lots and lots and lots of rock. Right, I'm off the road and I'm making way up onto the beacon, and now it's a cracking view. A bit hazy today though. Be nice if that went away. There was a crazy fog this morning coming off the sea, but the sun soon made short work of that. This place so reminds me of Wales. If it wasn't for all the rock and the mining stuff hanging about. And it's nice. It is a little bit windy, but it's still a really nice day. I'm looking forward to getting up there now, because I'm hungry. I haven't eaten today, so I'll have a bit of lunch, chill out for a while. Ha! A little bit blowy. Gotta say, it's a gentle climb up. It's not hard at all. view. You see all the way up to when this haze parts, I can sort of make out bits of Truro, and then all the way down, well, that's the same direction, just about to see the MOD Spice satellite tracking station. Don't know what it is. It's nice. You see vast sections of the coast path that I walk. Anyway, this area, I mean, yeah, it's a bit campable. Got a patches of greenery, but it's also loads of nice spongy sleepy on spongy stuff. So yeah, get up here in the summer without a tent would be really nice. You have to hide from this window. But this is conditioning, I think. I mean, I've got all this lovely coastal area that I could be enjoying, and the Welshman spent most of his youth on mountains, heads for the highest point. And I've just realised that it's just conditioning. I can't help myself. Woo! Right, I'm going to find a spot out of this wind. I think there's actually a seat down there which looks quite nice. I'm going to chill out there for a bit, enjoy the sun. I think I took the longest route up, to be honest. There looks to be some easier routes down. Should be investigating one of those. Let the chilling commence.